Hi friends. Are you looking for the best multimeter AC/DC? If you received a new multimeter AC/DC, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best multimeter AC/DC on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews. ANENG 683-6000 counts professional multimeter AC/DC voltage test current ammeter smart touchscreen multimeter NCV diode test. This device is a 3 5/6 digital multimeter with stable performance and reliable quality. The meter adopts LCD display screen with analog bar display. Users in the process of use truly achieve continuous power operation. Do not need to turn the dial to select functions. According to the input AC/DC voltage/resistance will be automatically identified and measured. It can be used to measure DC voltage, AC voltage sign RMS, DC, Unity UT210E UT210D digital AC/DC current clamp meter true RMS Pliers ammeter voltage tester multimeter frequency meter. UT210 series mini digital clamp meter is with high reliability, high security, automatic range, miniaturization. Can accurately measure small current signals. Product chip setup VFC start mode. The internal will go through a specific filter circuit, the high-frequency interference signal filtered out to ensure the accuracy of the measurement data. Can be applied, making it a new generation of practical electrical measuring instruments with more excellent performance. KAIWEETS AC/DC digital clamp meter multimeter Pinza Amperimetrica true RMS high precision capacitance NCV ohm Hertz tester. This multimeter can accurately measure 1000 amp AC/DC current, 1000 V AC/DC voltage, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, capacitance, diode, continuity and temperature. Easy to use for labs, factories and household. KAIWEETS HT208D clamp meter can be a perfect choice for car service workshops or other places with difficult environmental conditions. It has basic functions which enable measurement of AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, and Unity UT210D UT210E mini clamp meter NCV true RMS AC/DC current voltage auto range VFC capacitance non-contact multimeter. UT210 series mini clamp meters are designed to work well in limited space environments. These are essential tools for mechanical and electrical equipment maintenance, home appliance installation and electrician duties. Display, 39.3 mm x 26.5 mm, product color, red and gray, product net weight, 170 g, product size, 175 mm x 60 mm x 33.5 mm, standard accessories, batteries, test leads, point contact. HT208AD AC/DC digital clamp meter multimeter Pinza Amperimetrica true RMS high precision capacitance NCV ohm Hertz tester. Loud beep, NCV sensor send out audible and visual alarm once received electromagnetic signal. More functions, features data hold, flashlight, low battery display, Celsius Fahrenheit degree, max min relative value, and 0, reset, key, safe TOUs. Designed and conforms to IEC 61010-1, Cat 3 1000V, safe and reliable.